I'm David Smith, Extension Field Crops Pathologist for the University of Wisconsin-Madison. And today I'd like to talk a little bit about threshold interpretation for our Sporecaster app. So we'll actually go into a field list here where we have a couple of predetermined forecasts for several different locations. It's important to note that we actually have two different models which run our app system here. For instance, the first model, which we used here in this Madison campus example, if we choose flowers present, yes, and the row closure over threshold, you'll see we have a recommended spray threshold of just 10%. This work is, as we did some validation work to actually verify these spray thresholds, and they do vary among the two models. If we back out and look at the field 1, which runs a little different model here, because it is a 30-inch non-irrigated location in this case, we choose flowers present and row closure over threshold, you'll see the threshold changes now to 40%. It's important to note this threshold as you're trying to make your fungicide spray decision. Don't just look at the color in the spray recommendation, but also look at that number, because as that number approaches our action threshold, it may be important to be preemptive with your fungicide applications, especially if conditions have been cool and wet and continue to be cool and wet over the next couple of days. For more information about Sporecaster, feel free to contact us. And if you need more information about white mold and white mold management, feel free to contact your local extension agent.